Okay, so this is 6 Linwood Street. This is the road. And so let's go in. So this is apartment 1, the one we're subletting. You get in and you have the living room right over here. Then you keep going to the left. You have a long corridor with the first bedroom, which is the smallest of the two, but it can still fit. This is a queen size bed. There's still some room to store everything, and you have your wardrobe here. Then to the right, there's the bathroom. This is the second bedroom, much bigger than the previous one. This is also a queen size bed. So you can see you can store a desk in this room, and you also have a larger wardrobe. And finally, at the end of the corridor, you get the kitchen. You have a long table. You have your stoves. You have your fridge. You have a dishwasher, which is really important. This is pretty much all the space you get, and you have an outside as well. As you can see. This is it, and everything you saw, all the furniture, the table, the couches, the beds, the TV as well, these things that you saw around, they're all for sale. So if you moved in, you would basically have it already fully furnished. Thank you.